Okay, question 6. We have a graph 2e to the x minus 2, and we want to find the domain and range. So first I want to look at this graph. This minus 2 means shift down 2 units. So usually our asymptote on these functions is at y equals 0. But because of that minus 2, our asymptote is at y equals negative 2. And that's going to affect our range. So domain is our x values. And on our graph, we want to look left to right. And then our range is our y values. And we want to look bottom to top. So let's start left to right. So left, here's our graph. Get blue like our graph, and it goes left forever and ever and ever. So our x-axis, it's negative infinity. And then how far right does it go? So it goes up and out, up and out, up and out, forever and ever and ever towards positive infinity. So before we would write that like that, that's our interval notation. But it's saying if your answer is all real numbers, that's what that is, negative infinity to infinity is every number, then we're actually going to type all in there. So same thing with the range. We want to go bottom to top. So the bottom we said is negative 2. And then how high does the graph go on the y-axis? Goes up forever towards infinity. So our interval notation would be negative 2 to infinity, but it's asking us to write an inequality. So our inequality is all numbers greater than negative 2. And we would write that as y is greater than negative 2. So all the y values are greater than negative 2, not including negative 2, because that's our asymptote. So let's type that in. So domain is all, and then y is greater than negative 2.